You glide through warm, murky brackish water, the current a familiar whisper against your sleek skin. You feel the subtle shift in pressure, the distant vibrations of movement. Overhead, a diffuse light filters through the green-brown surface. A flash of vibrant pink moves just ahead, then another a silent bullet in the depths. For eons, stories have echoed across human cultures, tales of the deep and its elusive wonders. Mariners, explorers, and local fishermen have whispered about creatures almost mythical, often dismissed as mere folklore. But for certain beings, this isn't a hypothetical story or an ancient legend. This is their undeniable, startling reality. You are witnessing a rarity. You are witnessing life in an uncommon hue. The creature before you, with its rosy blush, isn't from another world. It exists right here. What makes this vivid coloration possible? How does such an animal carve out an existence in our modern world? These unique individuals, with their striking appearance, are not, in fact, a distinct species all their own. Instead, they are a fascinating color variation of the common bottlenose dolphin. You probably know the common bottlenose dolphin by its scientific name, Tursiops truncatus. This name simply classifies them within the animal kingdom, placing them among their more commonly gray kin. This means your rosy friend shares the exact same biological blueprint, the same fundamental behaviors, and the same intelligence as its gray cousins found across the world's oceans. So, why the startling pink? The vibrant hue is believed to be a combination of genetic factors, a unique twist in their DNA. It's also thought to be influenced by the presence of blood vessels close to the skin's surface, reflecting their vibrant circulatory system. Think of how your own cheeks might flush red when you're exerting yourself. A similar principle contributes to their permanent blush. Are they simply albino? No, that's not quite right. True albinism involves a complete lack of pigment, often resulting in red eyes. These pink dolphins, however, typically retain pigmentation in their eyes and some specific areas of their skin, clearly distinguishing them from albino animals. The intensity of their pink can vary wildly, from a delicate, pale rose to a stunning, deep fuchsia. Each dolphin is its own living watercolor. While bottlenose dolphins, or Tursiops truncatus, inhabit waters worldwide, these particular pink individuals are rarely seen beyond a specific geographic pocket. Their primary observation point is the Calcasieu River estuary in Louisiana, USA. This brackish water system, where fresh river water mixes with salty ocean tides, has become their unique stronghold. Here, in these calmer, often nutrient-rich waters, they navigate a world unlike the open ocean. They form strong social bonds, living in pods that can number up to 15 individuals. You'll often see them moving together, mothers with calves, juveniles learning the ways of their world, and adults coordinating their hunts. They are known for their profound intelligence, a hallmark of all bottlenose dolphins. This cognitive prowess allows for complex social structures and intricate communication. These pink dolphins are also incredibly playful, often leaping clear of the water in acrobatic displays, or riding the bow waves of passing boats. Imagine the thrill of seeing a pod of these rose-colored creatures arching through the air, a flash of unexpected beauty against the muddy river backdrop. What does such a day entail for one of these magnificent animals? Let's reconstruct a typical day for you. As one of the pink dolphins in the Calcasieu River, you wake as the first light filters weakly into your watery world. Not by an alarm, but by the subtle stirrings of your pod. Your first instinct is to check on your calf, nudging them gently with your rostrum. The water is cool, perhaps a slight morning chill in the air. You begin to cruise, your powerful tail flukes propelling you effortlessly through the murky depths. You use echolocation, sending out high-frequency clicks and interpreting the returning echoes. This is how you build a sonic map of your surroundings, discerning the presence of fish, the contours of the riverbed, and the movements of your pod mates. Soon the hunt begins. Your pod works together, herding schools of mullet or drum fish against a shallow bank. You dart in, snapping up your prey with swift precision. The satisfaction of a successful hunt ripples through the pod. Later, with stomachs full, you might engage in play. You chase your pod mates, leap into the air just for the joy of it, or rub against the barnacle-encrusted hull of a moored boat, scratching an itch. The sun climbs high, then begins its slow descent, painting the surface a fiery orange. As dusk settles, you find calmer waters, resting close to your pod, always vigilant, always connected. Your lifespan is long, potentially extending to 40 or 50 years, a testament to your resilience and adaptability. Here's the counterintuitive twist. Despite their undeniable rarity and captivating beauty, these dolphins are not granted any special biological status. They are not a separate species, and yet their very existence highlights a crucial vulnerability. While they are a symbol of hope and the rich diversity of the natural world, they face the exact same threats as their gray counterparts, perhaps even more acutely, given their limited geographic range. You see, while they are not considered a separate endangered species, they are afforded protection. The Marine Mammal Protection Act in the USA ensures that all marine mammals, including these pink bottlenose dolphins, are safeguarded from hunting, harassment, and other human activities that could harm them. This act is a legal framework, a testament to a collective scientific and societal understanding of the value of these creatures. However, laws alone cannot solve every problem. Scientists closely study these dolphins, gathering data on their genetics, their behavior, and the overall health of the local dolphin populations. Organizations dedicated to conservation work tirelessly to protect these specific animals and their habitat. The greatest challenges they face stem directly from human activity. Pollution, whether it's industrial runoff, plastic waste, or agricultural chemicals, degrades their environment and can directly impact their health. Habitat loss, as coastal areas are developed and wetlands are altered, reduces the space they have to live and hunt, and entanglement in fishing gear remains a deadly threat, even with regulations in place. Your choices, your actions, ripple through the ecosystem. The health of the Calcasieu River, the cleanliness of its waters, and the preservation of its shores directly dictate the future of these vibrant, unusual creatures. When you imagine a dolphin, you typically picture a sleek, gray form arching through blue water. But these pink dolphins challenge that expectation, adding an unexpected splash of color to the tapestry of life. They remind you that beauty and uniqueness can emerge in the most unexpected variations, even within what you consider common. Their existence is a vibrant testament to the endless possibilities of nature. They compel you to reconsider what you think you know about the world around you. You can still hear the whispers of currents against your skin, feel the subtle shifts in pressure. You can still picture that flash of pink moving through the depths.